Hello there, everyone. So for this day, I'll be going to share to you another tutorial. So this is about how to customize your Chrome profile. So I'll be using an existing Chrome profile this day, but actually this Google account of mine, I am not using this at all. So I'll be just using this Google account of mine for this tutorial. So for now, I'll be going to show you how to customize your profile. So as you can see here, we are using this current profile. So you can see we have other two profiles here, but you can actually add other profile if one of your siblings or your family, other member of your family wants to use it, and you only have one PC or one laptop, so you can add other profiles here using other Google accounts. That's totally important, especially if you need it for work or businesses or any other things, especially in education, of course, in your studies, in work, all those important stuff. So now let's just going to click this customize Chrome. And as you can see here, we have different backgrounds, right? So we're going to customize this one and beautify this Chrome profile of yours. So let's try this black artist collection first. If it suits to your Chrome background or if it suits you or not. So we're just gonna pick 3 Chrome backgrounds and have it tried it. Explore all of those or maybe just a few of it. So if you're not fully satisfied with that one, so let's going to try another one. Yeah, this one. So let's try this. Wow, it's good. Bubbles. And then try one more. Let's try one more. So there are actually a lot of backgrounds here that you can choose. This one is also bubbles. Yeah, so different faces. Maybe this one's mine is thinking about these faces. All right, so let's try other backgrounds that is available in your PC. So we have here landscapes. So there are a lot of landscapes here. So we can just probably choose any landscape that you want or kung anong landscape ang gusto nyo. Magaganda talaga ang mga scenery nandito. So someday we'll be able having the chance to travel all around the world when you're a special someone or with your family, of course, or by yourself, right? Why not? So balik tayo sa landscape. Subukan natin na maghanap ng iba pang background na ating titingnan kung bagay ba sa inyong PC, right? Or laptop na meron ka. So let's halukayin natin kung ano mga existing landscape backgrounds na meron tayo dito. So medyo loading pa ngayon. Medyo loading siya. Kaya hanapin natin kung ano ang gusto niyo. Landscape profile here. So let's have it slowly. Mas maganda yan. Dahan-dahanin natin. Huwag madali. Diba? Let's take our time always. Wow, so this is how it looks like. It's pretty amazing. So let's go back to landscape and choose other one. Maybe more on water thing or a land thing. Let's try another one. This one. Let's see how it will look like. Wow, there's a mirage here. I mean, mirage. If I'm saying it right, or I'm writing to the right word. Now let's try textures. So there are a lot of textures also. So, tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Diba? As my special someone always said, explore is the key. So explore. Explore natin ano mga meron dito. So we have here the green texture. Looks like a leaf. And let's have another one. I'm pretty curious how it looks like or what it looks like. So let's try it. Oh, I'm so curious. What is it? Still can't identify what truly it is. So let's try another one. This one's just in window. Yeah, simple. It's also great. Now let's go to life. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang buhay. Hindi masyadong may drama. Kumusta na ba kayo? Kumusta kayo mga friends? Support kayo sa channel ko. So yeah, ganun naman kahirap ang buhay. Laban lang, laban lang. We just gotta keep going and we will surely get there. Diba? None of great things happen so easy. Alright, so just happen instantly to you, it will just be gone easily to you too. So if you work hard for it for so long, diba, hindi yun basta-basta mawawala rin sa'yo. So hope that what you've been committed to right now, hope it will last, and hope that what you've been struggling right now, all of us are struggling, tayong lahat ay nahihirapan at nag-usa. Ano man yung mga struggles natin ngayon, just offer it to God and keep going. Diba? Nothing is impossible with God. And of course, God is good all the time. So as you can see here, maganda talaga ang sunflower. Walang katumbas si sunflower. Now let's try last one for life. Let's try one more. So marami ditong pagpipilian din. Marami tayong pagpipilian if I'm saying it right. So I hope we're gonna choose the right one. Diba? Para hindi tayo magsisi sa huli ng ano yun. No good yun. Alright, so I had this. Yeah, simple. Simple too. That's nice, right? It's nice. Nice, so let's try. Let's go to Earth. Earth. Yeah, marami rin tayong pagpipilian dito. Earth. Yeah, kind of yung the star night. All right, so let's have one more. That's one. Tingnan natin. Wow. Hopefully I can paint this kind of scenery here. Someday, someday. All it takes is to make things happen, make our dreams happen, have it come true, make it come true. Have it for real, for real. Like for real, I'm doing this kind of simple tutorial. Yeah, it's just having fun while I'm doing this one. Hope you are too. Now let's go to art. Art. So anybody loves art here? Ako, gusto mo talaga ang art. Art of art. Mahilig lang talaga ako sa art. Yeah, it's another way of expressing myself other than speaking, other than writing. Diba? Wow! Looks amazing. It's just a splash of different colors, watercolors. Yeah, with a black background. Maganda siya. How about this one? This is pretty good too. Pretty good. Nice. Now let's choose another one, another one. This one. Cool. Maganda siya. Hindi mo talaga akakalaing art lang to. Painting lang to. Napakahusay. Amazing. Sana all. Alright, so we're done with art. Now let's go to cityscape. Cityscape. Here, today you'll be traveling, exploring all over the world too. Of course. Diba? Let's try this one. Wow. So another one. This one. Yeah, looks so amazing too, right? And last one for cityscapes. Let's have this one. Yan, bola, ganda. So we have another color, sorry, current backgrounds to here, geometric shapes, solid colors, and seascape. So this is the final current background that we will choose. Now we have here, can also try to, as you can see here, we have here panda. I will click this setting. And then we're going to customize your profile. Actually, you can use your profile picture in your own Google account, but since I'm not using any profile picture in my Google account, so we'll be choosing an avatar here. So just pick any avatar that you want. So lately I use pandas, so let me explore another animal we have here. Cat. So yes, we're done with this, with customizing our Chrome profile. So I hope you learned something for today. So thank you. God bless everyone. So hope you support my channel. See you for